Are sharks dangerous? That's a strange question to ask when I'm wearing a shirt with dolphins. But anyway, I just produced an 11-minute video on that topic. And this is a shorter version for those who do not feel like sitting through 11 minutes. I say it's about putting into a context. You see, if you look at the statistics of how many people have died or been injured from shark attacks, it's not a lot at all compared to many other creatures. And I believe it's a big myth that sharks are human-eating machines. They see a human and they go think, there's a human, let's go get him. Usually sharks will ignore you. But if I see water with sharks nearby, I will not go in that water because the chances of them biting you is actually very small. But that bite is very serious. You can lose a limb or lose your life. And because that bite is so severe, I am not willing to take that chance at all. So I myself would never go in water with the sharks, and I advise everyone else to please avoid the sharks. That's what I think. Thank you.